What if you could build a better world? A world that was efficient, smart, and sustainable. A world where no obstacle is too big, no idea is too complicated, and no dream is unattainable. Unleash your mind on endless possibilities, free to conceptualize, design, and forge ahead. Solutions that open up 1,000 more possibilities that combine technology, converge fields, and unlock innovation to reimagine the world as we know it today. The AutoCAD family of products empowers your design, your vision, your world to come to life. Make your ideas feasible, makeable, doable. Harness automation to do more and do it better. Remodel and merge to solve problems. Turn your imagination into designs, your designs into drawings. Do it whenever, wherever you are. Power and transform your world in new ways with ever-evolving integrations. Armed with the right tools and flexibility in the AutoCAD family of products, you have the ability to design for the problems of today and the possibilities of tomorrow. You're not just a thinker, you're a doer. So the next time you imagine a better world, make it instead. Make, create, do, build what's on your mind with the AutoCAD family of products by Autodesk.